In Pittsburgh, there are a lot of older homes that haven't been updated in years, and that's going to hurt when it comes time to sell because the younger HGTV generation wants everything to look like it does on TV. Well, here at Coldwell Banker, we have a program that will help you sell your home faster while maximizing the selling price. And here's the best part. There are no payments until closing. The program is called RealVitalize. We've teamed up with service providers from Angi and Home Advisor to help you get all of your repairs and home improvements taken care of before your home goes on the market. Here's how it works. Once you sign a listing contract with Coldwell Banker, your agent will discuss which repairs or home improvements make the most sense. For example, let's say the house needs new carpet and a fresh coat of paint. You'll get quotes from Angi contractors and then schedule the work, but you don't have to pay for it until the house sells. Coldwell Banker covers the upfront costs. There are no hidden fees, no interest charges, and no markups. Common projects include painting, cleaning or installing carpet, purchasing new appliances, upgrading a kitchen or bathroom, electrical upgrades, handyman services, plumbing, and cleaning and staging the home. Once the improvements are completed, your house will go on the market, and with that fresh look, it's going to be a lot more appealing to the buyer who wants a house that's move-in ready, not a fixer-upper. For a free consultation, just reach out to me. I'm Robin Taylor with Coldwell Banker, and this is Real Estate Done Right.